Hey guys, DJ AB here once again. I'm in the middle of a crazy ass repair. Here's what we have. This is the ADJ. This is the DMX box. This particular unit has an issue where the USB got freaking broken and pulled right off of the board. As you can see, this is the old one. It was previously repaired, but this damage is actually pretty bad. I have a brand new port, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna put this new port, but as you can see, I'm gonna show you right here, right in the side, I'm drilling holes. I got my drill. I'm actually drilling holes because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the new port and I'm gonna try to create some type of latch that's gonna go over it and that's gonna hold it down so that this USB is not easily destroyed. Because this unit, it's pretty expensive. It could be between $300 to $500, but it's got a major design flaw where this little USB port's just hanging right there. Any little thing, you know, literally could remove it off the board. They didn't do a good job, you know, securing that so it's a little stronger, you know, like other devices that do. Anyway, we're gonna continue, but I'm drilling holes. As you can see, I already put another little hole right there, a little tiny hole. So I'm gonna drill in the side of that, and this is the drill that I'm using with the fine bit. So let's keep it going. Okay, got both of my holes. As you can see, now I can put this in, and you see how the holes are right on the side. Actually, let's sit it properly. There we go. That's how it goes. So now I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna use to make it nice and tight. Here's what I got. Paper clip. Check it out. This is a pretty strong one. It actually goes in that hole perfectly. See that? I was even thinking about using some electric wires, but I think this paper clip will do the trick. Okay, here's what I ended up doing. Look at that. I actually just flipped it over, had to turn it so it could be very strong. And next I'm just gonna solder it. That whole area is all ground anyway, so you don't have to worry. But we're gonna begin soldering and try to fix the end piece, which is the hardest part because that got destroyed as well, as you can see. Guys, I've completed this insane soldering job. I don't know if you could clearly see it, but look at all that mess. I literally made it happen under the microscope, right? If it wasn't for this microscope, I wouldn't be able to get this done. Anyway, yeah, I got that sucker very nice and tight. Trace all the leads. I actually, before we get any further, let's freaking test it. Nice. Power has been applied. Power has been applied and this goddamn thing is working. I really thought it was fried, but seems like it's working. Okay guys, so I've applied a little green. This is going to be a little UV. So basically to cover up all the mess and clean it up so it doesn't look crazy. So we're going to go ahead and set this to, let's see, 60 seconds. There we go. All right. We're going to let this thing do its thing, dry it, and then we're going to put it back into its container. But it seems like our repair has been completed. Thanks for watching, and good luck if you have something similar that you're trying to fix. It was not an easy process.